Hello guys, in today's video we will see how we can identify by our program that given number is even or odd. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. As we always do, break the given problem in small pieces. Here we require three things: input, logic and output, right? First of all, we need a number. You can get it from user or take it by default. I am taking from user. Hence, to take the input from user, we will import scanner class. So import java.util.scanner. Then create an object of scanner class to get the number from user. So scanner sc equals new scanner system dot in. Alright. Then ask user to enter a number. Enter a number. Store this number to any variable. Here we will store our number in integer number equals sc dot next int. Right now don't focus on logic, just keep in mind that what we need in our output. We want print even number and here odd number. Here I can imagine the condition will take place. If this, then it's even number, else odd number. So apply if else condition. If and here else. Put this one inside if and this one inside else. Now we just have to find in which condition it is possible to say that given number is even or odd. For an example, if I ask you to say suppose 5 is even or odd number, then absolutely you will say 5 is odd number. Now just think that how you get to know in your mind that 5 is even or odd. Of course you would have divided 5 by 2. That's it. Apply this logic in your code. How? Let's figure it out. In the condition we will say if number is divided by 2 and remainder is 0, then it's even number, else odd number. Here modulo means remainder after dividing one number by another. For an example, 14 modulo 12, then remainder will be 2. Similarly, 9 modulo 4, then remainder will be 1. Likewise here, given number modulo 2, if remainder is 0, then it's even number, else odd number, right? Now let's run this code. First check for 7, so it's odd number. Let's check for 0, so it's even number. For 15, so it's odd number. So our program is performing very well. I hope you won't have any doubts or any confusion in this program. And if you still have any doubts or any types of confusion, please let me know in the comments guys. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. So that is all for today guys. Thanks for watching this video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing and keep hustling.